What if I told you that you can get a 5G smartphone with a 120Hz AMOLED display, a Sony OIS camera, a powerful Dimensity 7200 processor, and a 5000 mAh battery for less than 20,000 rupees? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's what Vivo claims to offer with its latest mid-range device, the VIVO T3 5G. But is it really worth the hype? Or is there a catch? In this video, I'm going to give you my honest and unbiased review of the VIVO T3 5G and tell you whether it's a hit or a miss. So, subscribe to the Tech Critic and stay tuned until the end to find out. The VIVO T3 5G, which is Vivo's newest addition to its Series T lineup, was launched in India on March 21st, and it has created a lot of buzz in the market. Vivo claims that this is the fastest smartphone in its segment, with an Antutu score of over 7 lakh. It also boasts of having the brightest AMOLED display in its class, with a peak brightness of 1800 nits. And it also features a 50MP Sony IMX882 sensor with OIS, which is a rare sight in this price range. But how does it perform in real life? That's what I am going to tell you in this video. But first, let's unbox the phone and see what's inside. This is the box of the VIVO T3 5G. It has the Vivo logo and the name of the phone on the front, and some of the key features and specifications on the back. Inside the box, you get the phone, a SIM ejector tool, some paperwork, a transparent silicone case, a USB Type-C cable, and a 44-watt fast charger. There are no earphones or a 3.5mm adapter in the box, but Vivo is offering free Vivo XE710 Type-C earphones as a launch offer, which would last until 31st of March. The phone has a 6.67-inch AMOLED display, with a resolution of 2400 by 1080 pixels and a refresh rate of 120 Hz. The display is bright, sharp, and colorful, and it offers a great viewing experience. The display also supports HDR10+, which enhances the contrast and dynamic range of the content. The display also has some other features, such as DCI-P3 wide color gamut, 394 ppi pixel density, 1800 nits local peak brightness, and SGS Eye Care certification. The display also has an adaptive brightness strategy, a dark mode, and some customization options. You can also change the refresh rate and the screen resolution according to your preference. The display of the phone is one of its main highlights, and it delivers a stunning visual performance. It has a large and immersive screen with a high refresh rate, a high brightness, and a wide color gamut. It also has a good protection, a good eye care, and a good customization. It is one of the best displays in this price range. The phone has a 50MP Sony OIS camera on the back, which can take amazing photos and videos in various modes and conditions. It also has a 2MP depth camera for portrait shots, and a flicker sensor for reducing the flickering effect. The front has a 16MP selfie camera, which can take decent selfies and support face unlock. The camera performance of the phone is good, and it captures some good-looking photos and videos with a lot of detail, accurate colors, and balanced exposure. The camera also performs well in low-light conditions, thanks to the OIS and the night mode. The 2x portrait zoom and the depth camera also work well, and they produce some nice close-up shots and portraits with a natural bokeh effect. The flicker sensor also helps in reducing the flickering effect and improving the exposure and color accuracy. The selfie camera also takes some decent selfies, with a good skin tone and a good facial recognition. The selfies are sharp, and the exposure is balanced. The portrait mode and the beauty mode also work well, and they blur the background and enhance the selfies. The video recording of the phone is satisfactory, and it can record 4K videos at 30 FPS, with good stability, clarity, and audio. The video quality is also good in low-light situations, and the night mode also helps in improving the brightness and detail. The only downside is that the phone does not support slow motion or time-lapse videos, which is a bit disappointing. The phone runs on FunTouch OS 14, which is based on Android 14. It has a smooth and responsive user interface with some features and customization options, such as theme, icon, font, animation, gesture, shortcut, game mode, and security feature. It also has some useful apps, such as Jovi Smart Scene, which is a smart assistant. The software of the phone is decent, but it has some bugs and glitches, which need to be fixed. It also needs some improvement in terms of the notification management and the dark mode compatibility. The phone is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 7200 chipset, which is a 4nm octa-core processor with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of UFS 2.2 storage, and a liquid cooling system, which makes the phone fast and smooth and capable of running heavy games and apps, and supporting 5G connectivity. The phone also supports Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, NFC, and GPS, which are all reliable and convenient. The performance of the phone is very impressive, and it handles most tasks and apps with ease. The phone is fast and smooth, and it does not lag or stutter. The phone can also run heavy games such as PUBG Mobile, Call of Duty, and Asphalt 9 at high settings without any issues, thanks to its Mali G610 MC4 GPU. The phone also supports 5G connectivity, which is very fast and stable. The performance of the phone is one of its strongest points, and it delivers a flagship-level performance. It has a powerful processor, a large RAM, and a fast storage, which make the phone a beast. It also has a good cooling system, which prevents the phone from overheating. The phone has a 5000 mAh battery, which can last for a day or more with moderate usage, and supports 44-watt fast charging, which can charge the phone from 0 to 100% in about an hour. The battery life of the phone is good, and it can handle the high refresh rate, the 5G connectivity, and the heavy gaming without draining too much. The fast charging of the phone is also good, and it can quickly top up the battery when needed. The phone also supports OTG and reverse charging, which are useful features. The battery and charging of the phone are satisfactory, and they meet the expectations of the users. So that was my review of the VIVO T3 5G, the latest mid-range smartphone from Vivo. The phone has a lot of pros, such as a stunning display, a powerful performance, a good camera, a long battery life, and a fast charging. The phone also has some cons, such as a lack of a headphone jack, a plastic back panel, a mediocre depth camera, and a buggy software. The phone is priced at 19,990 rupees, which is quite competitive, considering the features and specifications of the phone. So, is the VIVO T3 5G worth buying? Well, I would say yes, if you are looking for a 5G smartphone with a premium design, a flagship performance, a bright display, and a long battery life. The phone is a great value for money, and it offers a lot of bang for your buck. However, if you are looking for a better camera, a better software, or a better audio experience, you might want to look elsewhere. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you liked it. If you did, please hit the like button and share your thoughts in the comments section below. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, The Tech Critic, for more latest phone release updates and reviews. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.